Alright guys, in this quick video, I'm going to show you the easy step-by-step how to schedule your posts or pages on your website. So let's say we want you to publish it tomorrow or maybe next month or next 2 months or 1 year later. So you can schedule your post and grow from there. In this video, I'm going to show you how to do that on your WordPress website. So let's get started and see what you can do. So as you can see right here, I want to schedule a post on this website here. So you want to go to your dashboard. So you want to go to the dashboard and create a post. If you want to write new post, you can click here, or pages. You can go from here or you go from here. So let's say I want to create new post and just name the name of your post. Privacy policy. And you type the content that you want to type here, or you paste it there, and you're ready to go. You add image here, and you use all these items here, the block as classic editor or block editor that you're using, and systemize your content very well and add image, and you're ready to go. So now you've completed your content. You've added future image, you've added tags, you've added categories to your post, you've added video, you've added all the necessary and CEO of your post. So now you want to schedule your post. So here is where you're gonna go to schedule your post. So if you want to publish it immediately, you can go here and publish it immediately. But if you want to schedule it, you go here. So here is where you can schedule your post. So let's say I want to schedule it this time in next year. You just type 2014. So this post is gonna publish automatically. It's gonna publish itself automatically by this time next year. Okay, by this time next year, it's gonna publish itself. So let's say I want to publish it tomorrow. So you change the date again. You change it to 27. By this time, by this time tomorrow, it's gonna publish itself automatically. So when you finish, you're going to hit OK. You can change it to any date that you want your post to publish. If you want it to publish today in around which time, you just set the time that you want it to publish here. You can set the time here. Here is where you're gonna set the time. You're gonna set the hours, the minutes that you want the post to publish. You can set the month here. If you want it to be published on January, March, April, May, June, July, August, or any month that you like, you can choose from here. You can choose the day that you want your post to publish, and the year right here. You can change the year right there. So, and when you finish, you're going to hit OK, and your post has been scheduled and ready to go. So, after all this thing has been done, you just wanna click schedule right there, and you are ready to go, and your post has been scheduled. So by this time tomorrow, this post is gonna be published. Okay, so if you come here by this time on this website, you are going to see this post right there, publish. So that's how you schedule your post or pages on your website. So let me quickly show you how you can also do it on this a post right now. Let's see on pages also. Let me show you, because it's also available on pages also. So let's add new page. So it's the same thing on page. So when you finish with your post, you go here and you set the date and the time, the date, the minute, the month, the year, and you are ready to go. And you finish with schedule, and you are ready to go. With OK first, then you hit schedule later. Okay, and that is how you do it. If you have any question or have anything to say about this video, please let me know down below. Drop all your comments and everything you have to say on the comment down below. Subscribe to this channel and I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Peace.